Numerous medical studies have shown that unsaturated fats, particularly polyunsaturated fats like omega-3 fatty acids, are much more healthful for you than saturated fats. Let's take a look now at trans fat, which is found to be very damaging. Trans fat form as the result of an artificial process known as hydrogenation, where hydrogen is added to a double bond, so the double bond occurring in unsaturated fats such as oils, and then the bond becomes hydrogenated, and so what was previously unsaturated becomes saturated. Now, the problem occurs when the hydrogenation is partial. And when the hydrogenation is partial, then some of the cis bonds transform to trans bonds under the conditions of the hydrogenation. And we're not exactly sure why, but this trans configuration in a long hydrocarbon chain as part of a triglyceride is very, very damaging to humans. So this occurs during what's known as partial hydrogenation. And what partial hydrogenation does is it makes the oil more solid-like, which allows it, when it's used in baked goods, to give the baked goods a better texture, and it's also easier to transport. So if you ever see in an ingredient label partially hydrogenated fat as part of the ingredients, you know there's going to be trans fat in that product, and so you want to avoid eating it.